Hi. If you are using an Adobe product, then recently you might face this error while using the app. Today, I will show you how to fix this issue and use Adobe product without this error message. This method will work for all products like Photoshop, Illustrator, Lightroom, Premiere Pro, etc. So, let's begin. Go to Start. Type Notepad. Right-click and run as administrator. It's important. Now from File, come to Open. Then C Drive. Windows. System 32. Drivers, etc. Click this drop-down. Choose all files, select Host, and Open. Now scroll down and come to a blank place. We need these texts to paste here. You will get them in the description. Simply copy them. And paste them in the host file. Now save them from File. From now on, the message will not come. Even if you see the error, simply uninstall the app and reinstall it. The problem will be gone for good. If you found this video useful, then please be with us and subscribe to Joseph IT. Goodbye.